We have to find the vertex of a graph of a given equation. We have quadratic function. We know that the graph of quadratic function is parabola. Parabola can be open up or open down. Everything depends on coefficient before x squared. When coefficient before x squared is positive, a is greater than 0, we have parabola open up. When a is negative, we have parabola open down. So now we have in this example coefficient before x squared is invisible 1. So let me write a is equal 1. So this is our parabola. In this example, the graph of our function is parabola opens up. And let me remind you formula, general form of quadratic function. This is, we can write y, or we can write that this is f of x is equal a x squared plus bx plus c. And we know that the coordinates of a vertex of parabola, this is first coordinate x is negative b over 2a, and the second coordinate is y is value of our function for negative b over 2a. So this is our x, this is our y. This is our vertex. We have to find x and y. So we need to know the b. Let me rewrite our equation. We have x squared plus 1. We don't have expression with x, and b is coefficient before x. So when we don't have expression, it means that the coefficient before b is 0. So we have x squared plus, we can rewrite that this is 0x plus 1. And now it's very easy to read coefficients before x squared, b, and constant is c. So a we have is always, when we don't have any number, is always invisible 1. Next, b is coefficient before x. Like I said before, because we don't have here x, it means that b is equal 0. And constant is our c. So now we need to calculate x coordinate and y coordinate. One more time, x is negative b over 2a. This is the formula. So let me write that x is equal negative b over 2a. I can write this negative sign before this fraction, or I can take to the numerator. It doesn't matter. So this is equal b, we have that this is 0, so negative 0 is still 0, so we have 0 over 2, and a is 1. So we have 2 times 1, so this is equal 0 over 2, so this is equal 0. Next we have to find the y coordinates, and y is value of our function for negative b over 2a. We found that negative b over 2a is 0, so we have to find f of 0. How we do this? We have to substitute every x in our function, which we have given, by 0. So we will have 0 to second power plus 1. So this is equal 1. We have x and y. So we can write that the coordinates of our vertex are 0 and 1. This is my solution.